Welcome back. In previous lesson we search for images. So now we will add transition. So let's go to our PowerPoint and let me show you how to add transition to your PowerPoint. So now this is our PowerPoint. We are going to talk about morph transition. We have different type of transitions here. You can play around it and know more about it, but today I'm going to talk about morph. So let's dive into it. First thing, go to insert shape, choose a rectangle, just put it here. Let's put it here. After that, duplicate this slide. Okay, go here. Sorry, duplicate. You see duplicate here. So in here, change the position of this. Change the position of it, and you can also change the color. Okay, right click and choose fill. Change the color to red. Okay, so you can see the difference between the two slides. Okay, now let's apply morph transition to this. So select the second, go to transition and click on morph. You can see you see this small star here. It means there is a transition applied to this. Okay, now let's slideshow and see. Can you see it? Can you see how morph is powerful? So we will build on this. So after this, okay, now let's export this and use it in subsequent lectures. So let's go to file, export. You can see you can use it, you can create a video from what you just did. So we are not creating a video now, we are just keeping a copy. So create a GIF and save it in the project file, or you can also create and save it as a project. Let me see, where is it? We are going to let's browse. We are going to the same project too and save it. So you build upon this. See you in the next lecture.